This tactic was considered impossible, yet one Iranian commander executed it flawlessly, and it rewrote the rules of asymmetrical warfare. In 1980, during the Iran-Iraq War, Commander Sohrab Memarian led a night crossing of the Karun River, a maneuver military strategists said couldn't work. No air support, no heavy armor, just 500 men in small boats against fortified positions. What made it work wasn't superior firepower. It was deception, speed, and an understanding that the enemy's greatest weakness was their own assumptions. Memarian's troops used the river's darkness and fog as camouflage, moved faster than detection systems could track, and struck where defenses were thinnest. The crossing succeeded. It opened a new front, and it proved that in warfare, innovation born from desperation often defeats technology born from comfort. The real stories of warfare are more compelling than any movie. Follow for more.